Yo, what's good, my people? Welcome to Wally's Welding World. I'm the Weld Professor, and today I'm just out here, doing what I always do, grinding and killing it on a weld seam, Right now, we just got some little things going on, and it was kind of cool. I'm putting some new kind of supports in for a new system coming in, and the old system had a bunch of my welds on it. And I started making a joke. I said, oh man, are they taking it out of service and shutting it down and changing it because I welded it? It was just a joke. And that's not really why they're doing it, but it was funny. It was cool. Anyways, but I wanted to get on here because a lot of people are asking me questions about the oil industry, and one of their biggest questions they're also asking me, is it dangerous? Can I die out there? I'm going to be 100% honest when it comes to that question. Yeah, you can die anywhere. You can die in your house. You can die in your bedroom on your bed. If you're not careful in life in general, it could end up costing you your life. So when I say that somebody doesn't belong here out in the industry, it's hard for me to say that because I want so many people out here. I'm pulling for so many people, but some people aren't cut out for it. Their mind isn't in the game. And I'm always trying to tell people, your mind's got to be in the game. If your mind ain't in the game, you ain't here, homie. Knock, knock. Is anybody home? Is anybody there? Because you got to know it's important to have your head in the game. Without having your head in the game, it could cost you your life. So I just wanted to touch on that topic. It's very true. You could die out here. You could die anywhere in the world, man. It's all about you. You got to practice safe practices. When we're welding and when we're grinding, we're practicing the safe practices. Now, maybe not everything. I guess I could be taking more precaution to, the hazards. And that's kind of what reflects on self people, some people are hazardous workers, some people are not. Some people are really safe workers. Earplugs in, constantly dust mask on. It's about you. Make it safe for you. You got to wake up every day and know that whatever you're going to do, you're going to be safe doing it. Because if you're not safe doing it, it could end up costing your life. Now, I have 4 kids, and a wife, and to me, it would be a tragedy for something bad to happen to me. And I have to rely usually on the people around me. My life is in the hands of the people around me at work. My life is in the hands of the helper. If the helper isn't having his head in the game, it could end up costing his and my life. If the fire watch's head isn't in the game, it could end up costing all of our lives. So it's all about you, man. You got to have your head in the game, and you got to know that the hazards are here. It is dangerous, but you know what? It's why we make what we do. We're willing to face the hazards of these conditions and do it safely. It pays to be safe, guys. Literally, it pays to be safe. Be safe out there. Practice safe practices. Wear your face shields when you're grinding, guys. Try to do all you can to be safe out there. It's a dangerous world as it is. It's already a dangerous world. So know that when you wake up, safety depends on you. It doesn't depend on everybody else. It does not. I remember my mom used to always tell me growing up, be careful when you're driving. I say, Mom, I'm a good driver. She says, not you I'm worried about. It's all them other crazy drivers I worry about. Taking out my little precious baby. So it's things like that. You got kids, and you love them. You want to protect them. You want to be able to come home to them. You want to do your job safely. You want to live your life safely. I don't know what the rate is of people dying on the roads, but man, driving is dangerous. It's all dangerous. Everything we do is dangerous. So I'm going to get back to the grind. It's because we do. I just wanted to touch on this topic because it's flooding in right now, and I just wanted to tell you guys the truth. There's no reason to hold back on anything. I'll wrap to you guys later. I'm Wally's Welding World, the Weld Professor. Peace. Ham and grease. Just kidding. Wrap to you guys later. Peace.